Hello everyone, in this video we will be going to learn how to open a terminal in a Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook. So first of all, you need to install this package called as colab xterm. It helps you to open a terminal within a cell. Now let me open my Google Colab. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to install colab xterm. Next, I'm going to load this thing. After that, I'm going to open xterm here. So I'll be writing xterm. And this percentage sign is basically called as magic command. So when I open this thing, it will open terminal. So just wait for a minute. Here we can see this is our Linux terminal. Now what you can do, you can write your command. For example, one of the famous command we have is ls. Click on enter. And it will list all the files present in the directory. So this is how you can open a terminal inside a Colab environment. Same procedure you have to follow for Jupyter Notebook also.